Hello everyone, welcome back to Kids Zone. Today, we are diving into a tasty and exciting product, the TRIPACT Protein Powder in Vanilla Latte Cinnamon flavor. If you're looking for a protein powder that combines delicious flavors with incredible benefits, this one might just be for you. Let's get started first. Let's talk about what makes TRIPACT Protein Powder stand out. This isn't your average protein supplement. It's designed to provide a unique blend of flavors and nutritional benefits that support your fitness goals and overall well-being. Here are the top benefits of TRIPACT Protein Powder in Vanilla Latte Cinnamon flavor. High-quality protein. Each serving provides a substantial amount of high-quality protein, essential for muscle recovery and growth. Delicious flavor. The Vanilla Latte Cinnamon flavor is a game-changer. It's like enjoying a gourmet coffee shop treat without the extra calories and sugar. Low in sugar. Speaking of sugar, this protein powder is low in sugar, making it a great option for those watching their sugar intake. Rich in nutrients, packed with essential vitamins and minerals, it supports your overall health and wellness. Digestive support includes digestive enzymes to help with the absorption of nutrients and promote a healthy gut. Now, let's do a quick taste test. I've mixed a scoop of TRIPACT protein powder with some almond milk. Let's see how it tastes. Wow, that's delicious. The vanilla is rich and creamy, the latte adds a subtle coffee flavor, and the cinnamon gives it a perfect spicy kick. It's like having a dessert and a protein shake all in one. TRIPACT protein powder is incredibly versatile. You can mix it with water or your favorite milk for a quick shake, blend it into smoothies for an extra nutrient boost, or even add it to your baking recipes for a protein-packed treat. It's perfect for any time of the day: breakfast, post-workout, or even as a snack. So, there you have it. TRIPACT protein powder in Vanilla Latte Cinnamon flavor is not just tasty, but also packed with benefits that support your fitness and health goals. If you're looking for a delicious way to boost your protein intake, give this one a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and health tips. Have you tried TRIPACT protein powder? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay fit, and keep enjoying those tasty protein shakes.